To replace the rope end, you must first remove the rope from the stanchion. Once removed, you want to get a screwdriver and unscrew the 2 screws located on each side of the rope end. Now remove the old rope end and prepare your new rope end. When placing the new rope end on, it is important to spin the rope end on as it makes it easier to place on the rope. Before proceeding, it is important to make sure that your rope end is placed correctly. To do this, you want to make sure the top of the rope end lines up with the crease at the bottom of the rope. This is important as if not placed correctly, then the rope ends on each side would be facing in different directions. Now that the rope end is placed on the rope correctly, you now want to take the 2 screws you removed before and reapply them into the holes on the rope end. After securing the screws in place, you have now completed the rope end replacement. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us or visit qsolutions.com for more information.